Introducing the new TIS RT1 tire by Hercules Tires, the most advanced hybrid rugged terrain tire ever made. Engineered for the perfect balance of mud terrain durability and all-terrain versatility. Built for traction, stability, and ultra-low road noise. No compromises. Innovative tread pattern, optimized for ride comfort and maximized grip. Chamfered steps for enhanced stability. Precise siping for wet surface performance. Scalloped shoulder lugs for claw-like traction. RT1 also features a dual buttress design with durable bolstered sidewalls. All backed by the Hercules Tires Performance Promise Plan. Featuring an industry-leading 55,000-mile warranty, 2-year road hazard, and 45-day test drive. Whether you're off-road or on the streets, you'll ride in quiet comfort. The new TIS RT1 by Hercules Tires, available now.